In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix the D3T compiler underscore 43 DLL missing on your Windows 11. So let's get started. Open a browser, simply search for the DLL file, type download, hit enter, click on it on the first option. And then you must know the system type of your Windows. So go to the Windows search bar and type system info. Click on it, check your system type, and then click the download link for your system type. Wait for this to be downloaded. Click on the folder icon. Right click and then select extract all. Click on extract. Copy the file or the DLL file. Right click, select copy. Go to this PC on the left pane. Double click on the Windows C drive. Scroll down to the Windows folder. Double click. Locate the System32 folder. So if you're a 64-bit Windows, go to System32. If you are 32-bit, go to SYSWOW64. So I'm 64-bit, so right-click and then select Paste it. Now once done, right-click at the Start button, shut down or sign out and restart your Windows. And the next thing that you can do is to update your Windows. Click on the Start button and then go to Settings. From the list of options on the left pane, click on Windows Update and simply click the button right here. Updating your Windows comes with the necessary files that your Windows needs, so might as well update it. So that's it, and I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.